Hey there folks, here with another video for you. This one is about how to change the reverse light right here on a 2007 Pontiac G5. It's hard to see back here, but we're going to go right behind the light, and there's a plastic nut we're just going to take off. And that's what it looks like right there. And we're going to peel our carpet back, and there's a nut right back here. I just took my adjustable wrench and pre-loosened it. I apologize for the lighting, but I just want to show you how to do this. And then we're going to take our 7mm socket and take off these two bolts here. Then we're just going to pull this out. And our reverse light is just on the bottom here, this little gray clip. I'm going to twist it and pull it out. And that's our burnt out bulb. And you just pull it. And we're going to grab our new bulb. That's the number you're looking for, 921 Sylvania, and we're just going to clip that back into the housing, just like so. And we're going to gently put it back in, twist, place our light back into place. And you get the rest. I'll attach this all later, but you just screw the screws back in, put both nuts back on, and you're good to go. Alright, thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe.